What's up mga Papi Pops, Chong and Cheng? CFMoto again, and today is a very different vlog because nandito tayo sa San Fabian, Pangasinan! Siyempre with a beautiful beach and beautiful people dito sa Pangasinan, kailangan mo ng trustworthy companion. Siyempre para makapunta ka dito. And with that being said, pinagkatiwalaan tayo ng CFMoto Philippines at ng Motostrada, care of Sir Dennis of Motostrada, to test the CFMoto 650NK. So mga paps, ito ang 2019 650NK. It has a 649cc dual overhead cam, inline 2 of course, that has a maximum power of 61 horsepower. Opo, sapat na yun para pasayahin ka buong araw. Okay, so actually ang motor na to siguro mga isa o dalawang araw pa lang sa akin. And I want to reassure you, yung dalawang araw na yon, that was full of fun. Compared to sa NK400 ko, kasi NK400 owner din ako, this is on a different level. Although, you know, aesthetic wise, tsura niya and all that stuff, it looks so NK400, but don't assume that it has the same performance because this one is a beast. So alright, although hindi naman ako professional reviewer and masasabi ko na hindi rin ako sobrang ganong kagaling, technically, this is like my first ride with it. So the thing is, I'm gonna share you my first impression of the CFMoto 650NK.
What's up mga Papi Pops, Chong and Cheng? Good morning sa inyong lahat. And today is a very special day because today is CFMoto feature CFMoto 650NK. Alright, so what's up mga Pops? I hope that you guys are doing well. And today is a crazy beautiful Saturday. Hindi maaraw, mukhang ulan, pero sana hindi. Naiiyak ako. Papunta tayo ngayon ng Pangasinan sa may San Fabian kasama ang mga SAS pips natin or mga Basti boys. Guys, as you would know, si NK400 natin or si Night King is currently inooperahan. Currently, baba ang kanyang makina. Hubad na hubad si lolo ko. Inooperahan siya. Ang nangyari is that nung anniversary ng Reed Big Bike Group or Big Bike Club, habang pauwi na ako from Tagaytay, habang nasa South Luzon Expressway, bigla na lang huminto o namatayan ako ng makina, hindi na nag-start. So it's an unfortunate day for me and napakasakit ng gastos. Hindi ko na i-share kung ano yung gastos ko, but ito sasabihin ko, alagaan nyo ng mabuti ang mga makina nyo. Make sure, kasi the least that you would like to happen to you or that you would want to happen to you is to have an engine failure or anything that involves engine, because it costs a hefty price, because napakamahal ng teteng. But it is what it is. Nangyari na at nangyari. Ang sabi nga, ang ika nga ni Will Dashovich, what could happen will happen. So wala na lang, tamang acceptance na lang tayo and move forward. And with that being said, napakabangis talaga ng after sales at ng service ng Motostrada. Wala akong masabi. I mean, if siguro hindi ako lowbat that time, tinawagan ko Motostrada to help me out, but unfortunately I was, so I took a different route. And I would like to say thank you to Sir Dave, yung pumara sa akin sa SLEX when I was very hopeless, so hopeless, I wanna die. Sira ang motor, nasa gitna ng expressway, wala ka pang baterya, patay. Lobat pa yung cellphone mo, nga. So maraming salamat sa rider na huminto sa akin na naka-versus 1,000. Sir Dave, maraming salamat. I can't thank you enough. para dun sa ginawa mo sa akin last time. You helped me out real big time. Wala akong masabi, maraming salamat po. So anyhow, ayun nga. So since nasa hospital or nasa casa si Night King, ibig sabihin wala tayong motor, di ba? Ayun pa, shout out Papi. Sana all. Akalain mo pinahiram tayo ni Motostrada na 650NK, wala akong masabi. So what I'm using right now is actually a loaner bike, courtesy of Motostrada. Siyempre, Boss Dennis, kung hindi mo in-approve to, wala akong loaner bike at wala akong magagamit para sa vlog ko. So maraming salamat Sir Dennis and Motostrada. Wala akong masabi. After sale service, patok. Yan ang CFMoto at ang Motostrada. So with that being said, we have a chance to review the CFMoto 650NK. Yon! Well, this is actually like my first ride on this thing, and it's very different with the 400NK in terms of everything. Well, besides the looks, because it looks completely the same. In terms of power, the pole, actually, it's very torquey. It's very torquey. Konting pihil ko lang, whoop. Maka-adjust siya, maka-adjust. Hindi siya tulad ni NK400 na very beginner friendly. This one is a bit on the more experienced side. So if you're a beginner and you're planning to buy a new bike, I would suggest you start on a 400 instead. Like NK400, Ninja 400, yeah, something like that. I mean, for your sake. So, ayun na nga, it's very torquey. Ergonomics are the same with NK400. It has a better suspension. I can feel it right now. It has a better suspension. And in terms of the maneuver, and in terms of the handling, it's actually the same in a way. And then everything else is the same. So basically, what I'm experiencing right now is like an NK400 with a strong engine, which makes a total difference in terms of riding experience. So it's very torquey, which is what I like actually. I like torquey motorcycles, kaya nga medyo I'm veering towards MT series, MT-07, MT-09. Pero syempre in love pa rin tayo with inline 4. That's why Z1000 is and Ninja 1000 is still on top of our list. I mean, technically, nung nag-iisip talaga ako bumili ng bagong bike, ito talaga yung target ko. It just so happened that I grabbed an opportunity whereas it would cost me less to buy the bike. That's why napili ko si NK400. But technically ito talaga yung target kong bike noon, which is a shame because I think this is like an okay bike for me. This is the bike that I won't feel bored, parang ganun. Pero don't get me wrong, NK400 is still an awesome bike. It's just that siguro with my riding experience and syempre nakaranas na rin tayo ng Ducati Monster, Indian Bumper and all that stuff. So super underpowered siya actually. So that's it. So basically what it means is that if you don't want to upgrade anytime soon, don't drive a higher CC bike. Kasi mag-iiba at mag-iiba ang pakiramdam mo. Just stay on your bike, just drive your bike. And if pag feel mo na gusto mo na mag-upgrade, then go ahead, try another bike which is a higher CC. Then yun. Kasi once you sit on a more powerful bike, it just feels different. So ayun lang talaga. So in terms of power delivery, ayun nga, actually yung power nito is coming from parang Parang yung power nito is from down low. Pag, ayun iba. And then, the only thing that I noticed is that sobrang mas vibrate lang to sa kay 400NK. Si NK400 ma-vibrate but not to this extent. Pumaano ko ng 5,000 to 7,000 RPM, you will feel the engine working really hard. That's why, ayun nga, siguro nagkakos nga siya ng vibration. But don't get me wrong, it's still a good bike. It's just that sobrang vibrate nga lang talaga niya. Goods tong bike na to, goods. I would definitely recommend 650NK to my friends. Napansin ko lang din that it has like I think it feels different in terms of dun sa handlebar niya. I think it's a bit wider. Kasi reklamo ko ay 400NK, talagang parang napaka-narrow kasi parang napaka-narrow nung handlebar niya, kaya parang ayun nga, parang kasikip-sikip. Pero syempre you'll get accustomed to it. Pag tumagal-tagal na, masasanay ka rin, kumbaga, diba? Parang love life mo lang yan eh. Sa una hindi mo siya ganun kamahal, pero pag tumagal-tagal sobrang mahal mo na. Aha. Look, syempre iba ang headlight assembly na ito. LED na kasi to right off the bat, compared to the 400NK, which is pag brand new, naka halogen. Well, that's the 2019 model, don't get me wrong. The 2021 model, syempre ibang usapan yun. LED na yun lahat. Sila na. Pero yung model nung sa akin kasi sa 2019 model, so halogen yung headlight nun. Too bad. So yeah. And also the braking power. Actually, braking on this thing is smooth as butter. And alam mong talagang hihinto siya. Hindi yung tipong kakabahan ka, ay puto, abot ba, ay di. Talaga na. Pag nag-brake ka, alam mo eh. Kasi pag nag-brake ka, parang alam mong talagang kaya ka nang hihinto. And I'm like 100 kilograms. So, ayun, it's also a big factor for me. Or maybe because yung NK ko medyo gamit na sad na yung rotor. I don't know. But the braking power of this one is really, really good. So itong video na to is to share kung ano yung riding experience ko with the 650NK. And what I can say, it's a great bike. So if you're in the market looking for another bike or a new bike to hop onto, kung ikaw ay sawi, sawa na sa motor mo ngayon, pumunta ka na sa Motostrada at bumili ng 650NK. Oh wow. So na mga paps, maraming salamat sa panonood. And show your support by subscribing to my channel. And then kung natripan niyo yung content ko, you can share it to your friends as well. Maraming salamat ulit. And CFMoto out! Show!
So mga paps, nandito tayo ngayon sa TPP gas station. So mayroon tayong mga naalala mga paps dito, mga taga-Kabanatuan. Paps, ano pangalan mo paps?
JC.
JC, Paps JC.
Sir Jasmine po.
May shoutout ba kayo dyan? Shoutout yun na, business nyo kahit ano.
Shout out sa Project Lambo, kay Mikal and the rest of the team. Shout out sa inyo. Shout out sa Levapur Garden, yung vape shop namin sa Tondo, tsaka mga tropa dyan.
Nice. So shoutout mga paps. Meron ba kayong page, Facebook page, kung ano, papalo nyo na dito?
Wala sir. Ako po, Levapur Garden sa Facebook.
Nice. So paps, maraming salamat paps ha. Paps. Okay. See you.